Before we even hear a sentence handed down, this courtroom is already heavy with tension. On one side, a judge clearly concerned about a defendant's survival, not just his sentence. On the other, a man claiming he's finally learned his lesson after years of addiction, relapse, and denial. But in court, words are easy. Accountability is not. The real question here isn't how much jail time he served, it's whether this moment actually changes anything. And what the judge says next might surprise you.
Let's call the case of the People versus, we already got this backwards, Howard Thomas.
Good afternoon, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Perny on behalf of Mr. Thomas. Thomas, please state your name.
Howard Thomas.
All right.
Your Honor, today is the date and time set for sentencing. We ask that you adopt the recommendation.
Mr. Thomas, anything you want to tell the court before I impose sentence?
No, there's no reason other than I'm better now. I learned my lesson.
Well, you look better, but have you learned your lesson?
I did what?
Have you learned your lesson, though?
Yes. I can honestly say, yeah, I learned my lesson. It was not worth it.
Okay.
It was not worth it.
So, are you held on any my case, or you?
No, they all have been gotten rid of.
Okay. So let me ask you this: are you going to get yourself into some treatment when you get out, or what are you going to do?
I was making arrangements to do that. You know, I had actually stopped drinking about a week or so before I was made to stop.
Right.
That really doesn't mean anything because I didn't get a chance to stop drinking because I ended up in jail. But yeah, I'm gonna do that. I didn't have any business drinking in the first place.
Pardon?
I had no business drinking in the first place.
I know.
Because I have hepatitis B, and I don't have no business drinking. I knew that when I did it.
This is a powerful judicial moment, and it's not about punishment, it's about credibility. The judge isn't just commenting on appearance. She's assessing risk. Judges are trained to evaluate whether a defendant truly understands the consequences of their actions, especially in substance-related cases. Notice how she challenges his claim of sobriety by pointing out that jail forced him to stop drinking. That matters legally because voluntary treatment carries far more weight than sobriety achieved through incarceration. Let me ask you this, Du. You think someone can truly prove they've changed while sitting in a jail cell? Or does change only count once freedom is restored?
Well, Mr. Thomas, you look a whole lot better. I'm out of time on this case, but you worry me. I'm just going to be honest with you. Because when you came in, when I saw you, remember seeing you on Zoom?
Yes.
You didn't look good, my friend.
Someone that was in lockup with me, I saw them months later, and I had to go to court, and they said, hey, you were locked up in there in that room. You look like you were getting ready to die. I said, excuse me?
Yeah.
You look like you were getting ready to die. I said, I hope I didn't look that bad.
No, you did.
Really?
Yeah.
It's a good thing I did stop then.
And that's why I was asking, what are you going to do when you get out? Because you can, I believe in your heart you want to stop. Okay, but it sometimes takes a little bit more than that.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I know it does. Because I have overcame heroin. I quit heroin. And it wasn't easy at all. I haven't even seen any heroin in like 17 years. And I didn't realize that alcohol was as big of a problem for me. Alcohol was like my fail-safe, like, well, it's not heroin, so I can go get this. But it's just as bad, if not worse. If not worse. It just,
This admission is one of the most honest and dangerous moments in the hearing. When the defendant acknowledges that alcohol became his fail-safe, he's admitting substitution addiction, something courts take very seriously. From a legal standpoint, this tells the judge that untreated substance dependency remains a public safety concern. But emotionally, this is raw. He's not minimizing anymore, he's confronting reality. Still, acknowledgement alone doesn't equal accountability. The court now has to decide, does compassion mean leniency, or does real compassion mean forcing structure and treatment? What would you prioritize here if you were the judge, hope, or control?
don't appear to be.
So who are you going to get out? Are you going to contact anyone to try to help you with this?
Well, I had,
Because you can't do it yourself.
my probation officer, she is making some contact with some people for some intensive outpatient.
Okay, so you're on probation in another case?
No, sir.
Are
Okay.
you speaking of Leah at Avalon?
It was a man.
Oh, man.
Yeah, it was a man. This was before that we got to this point. And I said, yeah, I'll voluntarily go to treatment. I'm still going to do it. Still going to do it. At first I did it believing that it would get me out of the trouble I was in, but I'm still going to do it.
Because Mr. Thomas does live at Avalon, and his
Okay.
social worker, her name is Leah, and I've been speaking with her throughout the duration of this case. And she, before he was picked up again on the violation, was helping him get into outpatient. So
Yeah, I was going to go anyway.
I will contact her again and make sure that she knows what's happening on this case and that he's
right.
being released.
All right, Mrs. Thomas, I'm just going to hope and pray that that's what you do. All right.
Well, I just wanted you to know that it was for a fact that I was attempting to do that.
Okay.
I was attempting to do that. I'm still going to do it.
Okay. Sentence of the court, $125 statutory fee, 93 days in jail, credit 93 served. Thomas, good luck to you, friend. All right.
How long do I have to pay the, what is it?
I'm not really worried about it, Mr. Thomas. If you go, I'll tell you what. You get yourself into treatment and you stick with treatment, you don't have to worry about that $125. Because I don't care about that. I want you in treatment and I want you to stay sober. That's the most important thing to me.
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
That's not me, I'm advocate.
What did he say? Oh, he wanted his cuffs off now? No, they gotta stay on until they let you out. All right. Yeah, okay, all right, take care, Mr. Thomas.
Please, Honorable Court, David Burgess on behalf of Mr. Jones, who's approaching, Your Honor.
All right. Good afternoon, Mr. Burgess.
I'll probably only say this once in my life. Mr. Burgess is doing a fantastic job on the file. He's doing
Wow, I know, right? Amazing, isn't it, Your Honor?
He's presented me some information that is exceptionally compelling. I've had the opportunity to talk with the officer in charge. There was one additional trooper that needs some time to review some information. So this time I'm asking for an adjournment so that we can try to effectuate what Mr. Burgess has been.
This is like how many times? This is the third time? Judge, I'm working on trying to get rid of it. My client, obviously, there's an issue about identification. That's the issue here. And it does appear that there's a different person who used my client's name on the video. Nicole wanted, being very casual. Nicole wanted to have one of the troopers verify it, and I just got that information today. I was trying to tell my client I'd do my best to get rid of it, but we asked the people asked for one more date. I understand that.
I saw his reaction.
I know.
Wanted it done today, but this is sometimes, just hold on. Sometimes things take time and good things can come out of it. We just have to be patient. Okay.
I can do that.
You heard a prosecutor actually say Mr. Burgess was doing a fantastic job.
I was hoping I wouldn't be that noteworthy, Judge.
Not only did she say she wouldn't say that about Mr. Burgess, or she wouldn't say that. I can tell you, I've known Ms. Hughes probably since she's begun. She doesn't say that. Okay, so let it work, young man. All right. Okay, so how much more time do we need?
I want to give the people 2 weeks just so we don't come back more than one more time,
You
Judge.
think, will 2 do it for you? Okay.
Okay, sorry. I'm trying, man.
September 5th, 2024, 9 a.m., or as your invite indicates. And Mr. Burgess, I did not feel that way. That was misuse expressed. I think
I
you do
know,
a
but you
nice
never do.
job
That's
all
okay,
the
Judge.
time.
You stay neutral on these things anyway.
Yeah,
In the end, this case wasn't about a long sentence or harsh penalties, it was about intervention. The judge imposed time, served a statutory fee, and made it clear that treatment, not money, was the real priority. That sends a powerful message. Recovery can matter more than punishment when the court believes a defendant still has a chance. But the warning was unmistakable fail treatment, and the system won't be as forgiving next time. If you found this case as shocking and thought-provoking as we did, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns and real legal insight.